आफ्टर 12 years एप्पल ने अपना UI चेंज किया, ऐसा एप्पल को लगता है, बट आई फील लाइक इट्स स्टिल क्वाइट द सेम. Of course changes हैं and I love few changes. The main theme is around glass and Apple is calling liquid glass. There are so many things to discuss, but I will tell you 5 things that I love about this new update. And you're gonna love 4th and 5th. First is the name. I love that they chose one number for everything. WatchOS 26, macOS 26, iOS 26, iPadOS 26. It's good. पहले ये याद रखना बहुत मुश्किल होता था, लिस्ट बनानी पड़ती थी. Now you already know कि ये next year पे based है. Second, the lock screen. I love the lock screen update. First of all glass, and the time automatically adjusts to the space that you have in the photo. It can also act like a 3D image. It looks amazing. Third, live translations. You can literally translate texts while chatting. तुम type कर रहे हो and it is translating right above it. You receive the message, it translates there. You're on a video call, it detects the language and automatically shows captions after translating. For now it only works in English and other few languages, but Hindi may be available here, but I'm hoping it will be soon available. The last two, fourth, and I love this one, call screening. If you get a call from an unknown number, it will be silent until the person on the other side explains like what they're calling for and what is their name. And when they do that, you'll see the text on your screen and then you can decide if you want to pick up or you don't. I love this one. It is available in India, but only in English for now. And the last, and ये इंडिया के लिए बहुत 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 ज़रूरी था, the hold assist. Sometimes when you call customer care, they put you on hold for a very 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 long time, and this will help you with that. Just enable hold assist और ये automatically background में चला जाएगा. You can do whatever you wanted to do, and as soon as the agent is back, it's gonna ring you back that the hold is over, and it will inform the agent as well that you'll be right back on the call. I love this one. You can check out these updates and update your phone right now, but I won't recommend that because मैंने update किया है and it's very buggy. If you only have one device where you can update, don't do it. If you have multiple devices where you can test, go ahead. And if you love technology and love knowing what's new, follow Techroholic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Learn new tech with Techroholic.